wearing a
I
mask.
take your
That's
point.
the only
Dr.
way we can
Shashank
prevent
Joshi,
Omicron.
who's
the booster doses.
who's leading one of the COVID
and
task
booster
forces, well-known doctor, leading one of the COVID task forces in Maharashtra, is with me on the phone line. Dr. Shashank Joshi, I'm being told by Sambit Patra and everyone here today that I shouldn't be talking. Sambit Patra says I have no moral authority to speak, neither does anyone on the debate because we are not doctors. So you're a doctor. You tell us, do we need booster shots or not? Tell Sambit Patra, tell everyone tonight. Dr. Joshi.
So from a science standpoint, we need clearly to have an additional dose for people who have moderate to severe immunocompromised states, which means their bodies have diseases where they cannot mount an antibody response. Correct. And clearly an additional dose is warranted in them.
Correct.
Also for the frontline healthcare worker, comorbidities, these are special groups and additional dose is warranted.
That's it.
The only challenge is that there is lack of data transparency in the Indian domain, and they have gone on informed speculation that probably there was such a large second wave that everybody had a natural booster through a natural infection, and people have received 2 boosters. So that is a different matter of debate altogether.
No, but Dr. Joshi, Dr. Joshi, you see, these studies could take endless amounts of time. Suppose the government says we'll take 3-4 months to get our studies.
So currently, as far as the moderate to severely immunocompromised cases are concerned, frontline and healthcare workers are concerned, really they need an additional dose. There is no two ways about it.
Yeah.
From a science standpoint, it is needed.
So why don't you give them...
The government of India has to make a decision based on the input.
There you are, Sambit, decide. Dr. Joshi is not a member of a political party.
No, let me answer. Mr. Goswami, Dr. Shashank Joshi is a reputed doctor. And well, yes, I'm also a doctor, so doctor and doctor, let's talk. If you call another doctor over here, I believe one of the other panelists is also a doctor.
Samir is.
2 doctors are having different views. And when we have 2 cohorts of doctors having different views, that's the time when the scientific community have to creep in. The scientists are looking into it. Please, that's not the doctor. Please, this is not an akhada for doctors. The doctors fight and decide about who gets the... Please, for God's sake, the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson, you are the least qualified to speak on this issue. You are the least qualified to speak on this issue. You killers of children in Mohalla Clinic. Don't shout over here. Just keep your mouth shut and allow others. When doctors are speaking, you are not even a doctor. Please allow others to speak. Dr. Shashank Joshi is a reputed doctor.
Okay, calm down. No personal attacks.
That's the reason as to why.
Don't behave like a bully on national TV.
Decide on this, and for God's sake,
please mind your language.
Over here. These issues are not discussed on television debates. Whether the booster dose are to be...
Let's not spread panic. Why did you come?
Okay, 1 minute, Sambit now. No, one second. Reena and Sambit, can we continue without any personal barbs, please? Can we continue without any personal barbs, please? Because then we spend 2 minutes responding to each other. Let's keep it very direct. Okay, Reena, I made the point now. Now continue on the fundamentals. Continue, Reena, I made the point. Now continue on the fundamentals, please.
Not allowing booster doses. Let's be responsible. Let's not spread panic over here.
There's nobody spreading panic. I'm saying...
Nobody's spreading panic, Sambit. Nobody's spreading panic.